All right, hi guys, welcome back to class. So the first thing we are going to do is last class you should have finished this portion that I am showing you right here. So you should have finished that, and then you were supposed to start on your plant cell and your animal cell. Remember, you're supposed to draw both. Okay, so today you're going to be in step 2, which is developing ideas, which is criterion B. So I'm going to put that right here. Criterion B of the design cycle. So now what you're going to do is, here is the plan. You are going to finish what you were doing, but you're going to draw in Microsoft Paint if you haven't already, and then you are going to insert your photo from Microsoft Paint right here. So how to insert a photo is you click Insert, then you click Pictures, then I posted it on the desktop, and then I click Insert right here. Now, this is just what it's going to look like. Now your timeline. See how I put an example of the timeline right here? So for day 1, I put investigate and try to solve the problem. Like you finished criterion A. Then you are going, day 2, that's today, you are going to finish up your cell pictures and choose what cell you're going to research. But first you have to finish your plan A and plan B. So plan A, I would say this is an animal cell. So this is my plan A. This is the number 1 choice that I want. So now what I'm going to do is, that is my timeline. Finish up your timeline. Then you're going to post on plan B. So then you're going to insert possibly a plant cell right here, whichever is your second choice. Then I want you to list materials. The materials are going to be the same in plan B and plan A usually. So make sure you list the materials for both. After that, you are going to open up PowerPoint, and I am just going to click File, New, blank presentation, here we go, create. So after I create that, I'm going to insert my photo, and now I'm going to begin labeling. So what I want to do is delete these, and so once I do that, here is my photo. Now what I want to do is I want to label this. So I am going to insert, I would have to say, click Home, then you're going to click Shapes and click Lines. So I'm going to draw right here, and then that is going to be your line. To format the line, change the color, click it, right click it, Format Shape, and then change the color. I'm going to change it to black. There you go. So that's just one. Now I need to insert a text. So then I insert text box, and I realized I labeled the wrong thing, so I was meaning to label the cell wall. So let me drag that. So to insert text, remember, insert text box, draw right here, and I'm going to type cell wall. Now, since I create a label, now I need to create a new slide. Name this slide cell wall, and then this is where you type the structure, function, which pretty much is like the definition. Okay, once you do that, make sure that you hyperlink to slide 1, click OK, and make sure that you hyperlink your cell wall to the cell wall slide. So that is just the beginning. This is just an example. Also, if you notice right here, see how this is only 1? I want to highlight this, hyperlink, click cell wall, click OK. And now the whole thing is hyperlinked. Now if you want to change the text, click like Format Shape, and then also if you want to change the text, you can highlight it, move it, hold on, let me make this bigger. See how you can't see that? You definitely want to change it. Now let me click what's in here. Let's make it black, or we can go with a red. Alright, so that's how we change the color. Okay, and so that is just your basics. I want you to label the PowerPoint today. That's the only thing you're going to do is label it. So, remember what is due today is your PowerPoint labels. All right, that is all.